a step-by-step guide on how you can get a void check on TD app. So what you want to do is load up the TD Bank mobile app and log in with your username and password. Then you will navigate to your account. Select the checking account you need the voided check for. Then you will access the direct deposit information, so look for options related to direct deposit or account information. You might find it under account services or by searching direct deposit form in the app. Then you want to download or view the direct deposit form. TD Bank typically offers a form that contains your account number, routing number, and TD Bank's information. This form can be printed or downloaded. You can use this form instead of a voided check as it has all the necessary banking details. Then you will print the form and write void if necessary. If you need to simulate a voided check, print the form and write void in large letters across it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.